Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button and share your thoughts on the video in the comment section. In this video, I show you guys how I achieve this look. It's a flat twist with a high puff. I start off by parting my hair in order to create the flat twist. Is one huge flat twist in front of my hair, and then I put the rest of my hair in a high puff. You can achieve this hairstyle right after your wash, or even if you have like an old hairstyle and you're not ready to wash your hair for the week, you can achieve this look as well. It's actually gonna be pretty easy if you already had in a style and you try to convert the old style into this look. This time I didn't use edge control. For some reason, edge control does not give me the hold that I want. Edge control is the same as like a hair wax. It doesn't give me the hold that I'm looking for, and I wanted to keep this style in for a week, so I used gel for this. I went ahead to create the flat twist. My hair is short, and then because it's thick also, it was kind of hard to achieve this flat twist. I'm still trying to get used to braiding my hair or putting my hair in a twist, so it's a journey for me right now. However, I managed to do it. So as you can see, I took them in smaller parts and I joined as I went forward. So nothing too complicated. It's just that depending on the length of your hair, it might be much more easier for you to do it. The plan is to try this look also on stretched hair. This is pretty easy. This hairstyle can be achieved literally in like 5 minutes. So it should be your go-to, especially when you're going to work in the morning or school. Mind you, my hair is super short in the back, or shorter in the back compared to the front. So in order to get it sleeked and pulled up, or in order to get my strands to lay down, I have to apply more gel in the back end of my hair. So as a result, you might, at the end of it, you would see that I had like white residue on my hair. That dries off. It's just the shea butter mix that I used in my hair plus the gel that created the white residue. But it dries off. I didn't see any flakiness. I kept this hairstyle in for a week and I didn't see any flaky. As I've said in previous videos, I don't do the most when it comes to my edges. I just want them sleek back. That's all. Nothing too no curlicues, none of that. Like, we're not that dramatic here. This is a simple hairstyle. It's meant to be simple, easy. Nothing too crazy, nothing too intense. So I didn't show this, but I secured my flat twist. I folded it in and then I secured it with the bobby pin because my hair wasn't long enough for me to add it to the puff as well. I went ahead to wrap it with the scarf. See, that's the face you make when you know you've done it right. Wow. The power, once you wrap your hair, once you put gel or hair wax or any edge control in your hair and you wrap it down and let it sit for a while, oh my god, it does wonders. This is a finished look, guys. I did pick out my afro a little bit more in order to shape it. Also, you would notice the white residue that I mentioned earlier. It's as a result of the excess gel that I used at the back of my hair, at the back of my head, with the shea butter mix I used in my hair. I like to dance, guys, whenever I feel I've done it right or the hairstyle turns out looking good. So in order to glam the style up a little bit, I went ahead to wrap my afro with a bandana. That way it hides the elastic band also, just to give it a little bit of Here is the finished look. Easy peasy. This can be achieved in literally 5 minutes. My hair is short, so it took about 10 to 15 minutes to achieve. However, that's it. Simple and easy. You can actually achieve this style without using gel. Because mine is short, in order to get the perimeter of my hair to lay down, I had to do that, and I wanted it as sleek and as laid down as possible. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you've already subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell next to it so that whenever I post a video, you're first to get the notification. Thank you for watching once again. Hit that like button to support my channel, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.